Hello everyone and welcome back. In our today's video we will talk about trend lines in Microsoft Excel and their usage in project management. I have a list on the left here for which the date is given. Besides the date, number of planned activities to be performed each day and number of actual activities that are performed that day are given. Besides that, in order to plot an S-curve for the number of planned activities and number of actual activities performed, I have created a cumulative plan and cumulative actual, which adds the number of each cell with the value in its previous cell. Same applies for cumulative actual. So let's get started with Trendline and see how do they work. In order to plot the diagram, we will select date, Ctrl Shift and down arrow key. Besides that, hold the Control key and select the cumulative planned and cumulative actual. In here, come and insert the line, select the first one. Let's bring the legend to the bottom, format legend, and it will go to the bottom. Our main goal in this video is to show the usage of trend line. Let's create a trend line for our cumulative actual. In order to do that, we will remove this line from here, from today's date ahead. That's because it will affect our trend line and it won't show the real forecast in that case. Let's click this, right click on this, select data. For cumulative actual, go to edit and select the values. You can see all the values are selected. Let's clear this and select the values up to 18th April. Down. Okay. Now let's add a trend line to our actual number of activities performed. Click on this one, right click, add trend line. There are different types of trend line options available. You can try it by yourself and see what the changes are. In our case, we will select the linear. You can assign a trend line name. It's given in this case automatically, but if you want to assign a custom name, you can click on custom and click here, write down the name. Besides that, the forecast. This is the most important thing. Next thing is forecast. In forecast, we can forecast forward and backward. In here we will forecast the forward values because we want to see will our actual performance meet our planned performance in the future. Let's assign the number of periods. So what's a period? As you can see, 1st April, 2nd April. The difference between these two is 1 day. So our one period will be 1 day. Today we are on 18, so let's write down 6 so we can reach the 23rd April. Let's close this. You can format your trend line. Let's make it dashes and let's change its color, for example, to green. Moreover, let's increase its weight so it's very well visible. Now, which part is the most interesting? For example, let's come and decrease the number of actual activities performed. Now, as you can see, it's very close to that, which means that on 23rd April, we will be close to achieving the 95, the total number of activities to be performed. But let's change these values. For example, this is a 4, let's make it 0. This is 7, let's make it 2. Which means that, as you can see, our trend line has come way down from its previous position. Which means on 23rd April, according to this forecast, we won't be able to meet the deadline and complete the number of activities which are assigned to us. Let's again click on the trend line, format trend line, the number of forward forecasts, let's change it like to 10 or maybe 12. Let's see. If you make it 12, sometime here we will be able to complete. That's about 27 or 28 April. So that's how Trendlines in Microsoft Excel helps you in project management. I hope you liked the contents in this video. If you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching.